is all you need to make my mini crab cakes. An egg, some crab, get fresh crab meat if you can, if not use tin crab meat, spring onion, parsley, some potatoes, a touch of chili powder and some flour for dusting. First thing we're going to do, get your potatoes peeled, chopped up and into a pan of boiling water for around 15 minutes. With your potatoes boiling away, it's time to get 2 or 3 of your spring onions, take off the outer skin and the ends, and then give them a chop. With your spring onions chopped, it's time to get your parsley together, scrunch it up nice and tight, and you're going to chop that. Then it's time to get your potatoes off the boil, get some butter in and get them mashed, and we're going to put everything into a bowl. Into a bowl with your mashed potatoes goes half a teaspoon of your chili powder, 1 egg, your crab meat, save the crab shell because you can smash that up and make some lovely fish stock with it. Spring onions and parsley, and then lastly some seasoning, salt and cracked black pepper. And then it's time to get your hands dirty and get squishy. When you've got it squished together, you're now going to put that in the fridge for half an hour just to firm up, so it's easier to make your little crab patties. When your mixture's been in the fridge for half an hour, and get yourself a little handful, on about a golf ball size. Wet your hands so everything doesn't stick to them. Little golf ball, and just flatten it down into a little patty. Then give it a dusting of some flour and into your pan with your oil, and just repeat that for all the mixture. In about a few minutes either side to a nice and golden brown, get them out and put them on some kitchen roll just to drain them a bit.